Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Thirumoolarji also like this. He didn't left his physical body, he converted into a light body and merged into Akashlinga, Chidambaram. That Chidambaram Shiva itself is Samadhi of Sadguru Thirumoolarji. So we suggest all our students, if you want to meet Thirumoolarji, we go to the Chidambaram. But even Thirumoolarji said, I am no more only in Chidambaram, I am everywhere. I can come in your home. Wherever you call, I can come. Because I am no more restricted to this body, this place. I am consciousness. I become a air that is everywhere. So he made it very clear. You don't need to go anywhere. You sit at your home. Only that is needed is your sincerity, your devotion, your surrenderance. Wherever you are, I am Shivoham, Shivoham, Shivoham.